Hello students, hope you are all fine and giving proper time to your studies. Okay children, today I am going to discuss the topic equation of line which comes under coordinate geometry and which I know you found it difficult to prepare in unit test. So this is equation of line chapter 14 page 184 of your concise math class 10th. Please open your books on page 185 and I'll just give you the little concept of this chapter of first exercise. We'll go slowly then. See, I've written two equations on the board. One is 3x plus 5y is equal to 2 and another is x minus 3y plus 8. And along with I have written 2 points also. You know that whenever we write a point in round bracket, it is said to be ordered pairs and you cannot change the positions of the number here. If x is 4, it will remain 4 only, and if y is minus 2, then it is y minus 2 only. First point is said to be x coordinate and it is abscissa, and second point is y coordinate and it is said to be ordinate. Now you must be wondering why ma'am has written equation as well as point. First of all, let me make you remember that this type of equations we have done in 9th standard also, and there we termed it as linear equation in 1 or 2 variables. If 2 variables, then it is 3x plus 5 is equal to 2, or if 1 variable, then 3x is equal to 7 is equal to, or something like that. Maybe in y, or maybe mostly we do in x and y only. Now, in this chapter equation of line, now onwards, these linear equation in 2 variables will be termed as equation of line. So now, after this, I am going to refer these equations as equation of line, first thing. Now, what the question we are going to do, first concept is that whether this point is related to this line. Related means whether this point lie, or whether this point pass, or whether this point is contained by the line. In 3 of them means the same thing. Lie, pass, contain. I'm writing at the side also. Lie, pass, contain. How to find that? In place of x, that is abscissa, you will put abscissa. In place of y, which is ordinate, you will put ordinate. Just now I told you x is abscissa and y is ordinate. So put the values. 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 2, or 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, or 2 is equal to 2. So see, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, I am giving this equation also, same thing, 2 minus 3 into 4 plus 8. Now you are getting 2 minus 12 plus 8 is equal to 0, or 10 minus 12 is equal to not equal to 0, or minus 2 is not equal to 0. Now you see, in both the questions you have something different at the last. In first question, your left hand side comes equal to right hand side, but in second question, left hand side does not come equal to right hand side. So in first, your answer will be, please listen to me carefully, yes, this point lies on the line, this point is contained by the line, or line passes through the point. Yes, but this is reverse here, that because the left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so no, this point is not contained by the line, this line do not pass through this point, or this point do not lie in this line. 3 of the words mean same thing, lie, oblique pass, oblique contain. So I hope you understood the meaning of the word lie, pass, contain. For example, let me take question number 4 of your page 185, exercise 14a. Question number 4. Please children, read with me. For what value of k? Just little difference, very little difference. Same concept, but little difference only. For what value of k will the point 3 and minus k will lie on 9x plus 4y is equal to 3. So they have already said that this point lies here. Will lie on. Will lie on means already it has been given in the question. It has been given in the question that that point already lies on the line. So same thing. Put abscissa in the place of x and ordinate in the place of y. You know very well know x is abscissa, y is ordinate, is equal to 3. So they have asked me for what value of k. So this is the value of k, 27 minus 4k is equal to 3, or minus 4k is equal to 3 minus 27, or minus 4k is equal to minus 24, minus cancel, and this is your answer. So this is the way of giving the question. Concept is same. They have used the word lie, so I have put in place of x the abscissa and in the place of y the ordinate. Continuing in the same manner, same way, I am doing the next sum, that is question number 5, just to make it more clear, that the line 3x upon 5 minus 2y upon 3, 3x upon 5 minus 2y upon 3 plus 1. This is the equation, and he says that question number 5, page 185, contains the point. Contain word is used now. Contains the point m and 2m minus 1. This means that already the line contains the point. You don't have to prove now. They have written in the question that line contains the point. So again, in the place of x, you put the abscissa. Now abscissa here is m. And in place of y, you put ordinate, that is 2m minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. And rest you know what to do. You take LCM. 15, 5 3s are, this is a 9m, minus 3 5s are, 5 to the 10, and 2m minus 1 in the bracket, plus 1 is equal to 0, and again 9m minus 10 to the 20m, minus into minus plus 10, plus 15, we have taken the LCM, full LCM now, upon 15 is equal to 0, or minus 11m plus 25 is equal to 0, or minus 11m is equal to minus 25, or value of m is 25 upon 11. So this is your answer. This is your answer, according to which you put the values 3x upon 5 minus 2y upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. See, I have put in place of x m, in place of y 2m minus 1. I took the LCM of first 2 first, 15, 5 3s are, 3 3s are 9m, minus 3 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 2m minus 1. Then again I took the LCM of both. You can take in one chance also if you want to. So 9m minus 10 to the 20, minus into minus plus 10, plus 15 is equal to 0. You take 15 to the other side, or minus 11m is equal to minus 25, and minus cancel, m is 25. So this value of m, for this value of m, this line contains the following point. This is how you are going to say this. These questions are, it comes in compulsory section, maybe of 2 or 3 marks. And it is very, very easy, you have seen it. Now the next concept of same exercise, that is bisect the join of. Bisect the join of. Bisect the join of. Now, what do you mean by this line? First of all, you must understand that what is the meaning of this line. It is very simple. In other words, I give you a very simple term. It means midpoint. Midpoint. Just the term is bisect the join of. Understood, if it is midpoint, then you must be given 2 points. For example, I have been given 2 points, like page number 186, you come to question number 7. The line y is equal to 3x minus 2 bisect the join of a comma 3 and 2 comma minus 5. So whenever there will be bisect the joint, the equation will be 1 only, but points will be 2, because you cannot find the midpoint unless you have 2 points. So now whenever the question is bisect the joint of, understood, 1 line and 2 points. 1 line and 2 points. Because from the 2 points, I have to find the bisect the joint, means I have to find the midpoint. Now, midpoint, what do you mean by midpoint? That is a plus 2 upon 2, comma 3 minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to minus 2 upon 2 and minus 1. And this will remain as it is because we have a variable. So now you have a plus 2 upon 2 as abscissa, x coordinate, and minus 1 as ordinate, that is y coordinate. Put in the given equation. The next is same what we did in first question. Put in the line. Y means minus 1, 3 into x means a plus 2 upon 2 minus 2. I substituted the values of x and y. Now on minus 1, 3a plus 6 upon 2 minus 2. Please take the LCM. Be very careful about your calculations. Since they are simple, then also you can do it wrong. So be very careful. I've taken the LCM. Minus 2 cross multiplication. 3a plus 2 or minus 2 is equal to 3a, or a is equal to minus 4 by 3. So bisect the joint means you have to find the midpoint of 2 points, and then again it lies on the line, or it passes through the line, or it is contained by the line. Basic concept same, lie, pass, contain. But this time you were not given the direct point, you had to find the midpoint of the 2 given points. Similarly, moving to the next question. For example, you come to question number 9th. The point P divides. I am giving you each question, each type one sum. Then of course others I can explain on WhatsApp group also. You can ask the doubts anytime you want to. But one question, one type I am giving you the examples, and you can watch my video again and again. It will make you understand. You must be very attentive. Now see, question number 9. The question is very easy. This you have done in distance formula also. Distance section formula, the last chapter. It is related to equation of line, and whenever the question comes in ICSE, mostly the question is the combination of 2 chapters, section formula as well as equation of line. For example, the question is the point P divides the join of. Now it is written divides the join of. I am going to rub this bisect the join so that you are not confused. Now see, bisect the join of. Now there bisect word is not there. I have written join of. Join of 2, 1 and 2, 1 and minus 3, 6 in ratio. Ratio is also given. So you have to find the point first. You have to find the point first, which lies, this point they have termed as P, which lies on the line x minus 5 by plus 15. You have to find whether the point which I get from this upper condition lies on the line. You know what to do. This is type of question we have done previous chapter also, and this is related to section formula. You know how to do the section formula. I will make a line as I used to. 2, 1 and minus 3, 6, and P is any point in the ratio 2:3. So you have to find the coordinates of P and X. See, P, X. Section formula to be found, to be used here. M1, you know this is M1, this is M2, and you remember, I hope you have remembered the formula. If you not, then please watch the video of distance and section formula once again. You will come to know what is section formula. 2 into minus 3, m1 is 2x1, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 upon 2 plus 3, m1 plus m2, so this is minus 6 plus 6 upon 5, this is 0. Similarly, p y coordinate, 2 into 6, 2 into 6, m1 into y2, 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1, m2 into y1 upon 2 plus 3. So this is 12 plus 3, 15 upon 5, that is 3. So ultimately I got a point P, 0 and 3. But my question does not finish here only. I have to see whether this point lie on the line. So again same thing, in place of Lisa or in the place of x I will put 0, in place of y I will put 3 and I will see it. See x 0 minus 5 into y is 3 is equal to minus 15 maybe, or minus 15 is equal to minus 15. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So yes, the point lies on the line. So 3 questions different. In first question we were given the point directly. In second question we found the midpoint, and in third question we found the point with the help of section formula. And same concept, lie, pass, contain, same meaning. Similarly, coming to the 11th sum now. This is the fourth type of you can just say concept which I am going to explain, and then your chapter will, this first exercise will complete. So I started with lie, pass, contain, I went to bisect the join, and third I took section formula to find the join, and last is question number 11. Please see all of you. Find the point of intersection of line. Please, question number 11, page 186. I am rubbing it. Question number 11, page 186. You see, find the point of